like now Stree 2 is such a big success. So like for Shraddha Kapoor, I think it's so amazing for her. You know, it's amazing. Yeah. And jab from the audience accepting the film and loving me as Savitri Sachdev, so I think that's the biggest fulfillment and the biggest reward and award for me. Best chemistry till date आई है वो अनिल सर के साथ आई है. I did have a breakdown. I did have a little bit breakdown and I had like little bit anxiety attacks because मैं सब ठोकरें लग चुकी है, सब experiences हासिल कर लिए to get it from within me. Artist, so you know my face is my selling point and अगर face पे ही निशान पड़ जाए तो आप क्या करोगे? And है उनको I made him like I got all my notes and he couldn't get up from the seat before 3 hours. Generally हिंदी सिनेमा के पर्दे पे हीरो ही बचाता है हीरोइन को. Why not the other way around?
Yeah. Hi, this is Sheetal and you are watching me on Pink Villa. Such an exciting day today as I'm in conversation with the one and only Divya Khosla, who's also now known as the modern Savitri. Let's welcome her. Hi.
Hi,
how are you doing? You know, I want to firstly congratulate you on the massive success of Savi, and I just want to mention that there are so many parallels drawn to Savitri, right, the goddess, and it makes me feel so happy on a personal note, right? To start off with, I want to ask you, what is the kind of approach you had for your character? Because I know that it is so emotion heavy, right?
Yes.
So what was the approach like?
See, for me, the approach, whenever I take any character of mine, you know, it is to become that character. I work towards becoming that, and when I go on the set, I think I feel that I'm that character. Try to live the ups and downs, her life completely, so that jab bhi any nuances which come out, they are very organic. Like sometimes they surprise me also कि oh I did this in my shot or I did this. I don't plan or think कि मैं ऐसे हाथ करूँगी या मैं ऐसे facial expressions करूँगी. I think internally I try to become that character and then externally everything will just flow organically.
You know, also this project is so different from any other movie that you've ever done, right? So does this success feel a little too personal for you?
I put in the same amount of love and passion into all my projects, but I'm just so thankful and happy because you know when you are an artist, आप कलाकार होते हो तो आप बहुत important होता है आपके लिए कि आपके दर्शक आपके काम को पसंद करें और सराहें. So that means the world to me because you're working for them, and जब you know from the audience accepting the film and loving me as Savitri Sachdev, so I think that's the biggest fulfillment and the biggest reward and award for me.
You know, when I saw the movie, one thing I wanted to mention is that as you as a character go through so many emotions, right? For you on a personal note, was there a particular scene which was very difficult only because of the amount of emotions involved in it, and you had to put that extra effort into bringing that character to life? ऐसा कोई scene जो आपको याद आए?
No, I don't think ऐसा कुछ सीन है. I think अभी लाइफ में सब ठोकरें लग चुकी है, सब experiences हासिल कर लिए to get it from within me.
Right.
So I think there's nothing left which will feel so new that I'm not able to get it out. Yeah.
But which was the most difficult scene, emotionally difficult scene?
See, not emotionally. I think the scene where I got hurt, I actually had an accident and got hurt. So I think that was very difficult because I was swollen and my face was like swollen and I was crying because I was very scared that, you know, this mark is gonna stay forever. And I'm a artist, so you know my face is my selling point. And अगर face पे ही निशान पड़ जाए तो आप क्या करोगे? And then to perform thinking whether this will go or not go, I think that was the most difficult thing. And the doctor got me on steroids, तो वो मुझे खाने पड़े during the shooting. So yeah.
Oh my God, yeah, physical strain.
But thankfully चला गया.
So, yeah. You know, when you say this, the thing that comes to my mind is that every director has a vision for their actors, right? कि this is the character, this is the actor, and I want it to be performed in a certain way. And for you also, of course, as an artist, you also have a vision saying that ये मेरा character है and I'm going to perform it in this way. So has there been any time where you had a creative difference with the director, and how do you go about that?
For me, the most important thing is to go on the set extremely clear. So whatever doubts I have, whatever confusions, questions I have, I make sure that I sit with my director and he or she answers it to me and doubts are cleared. Because I think set pe if I perform with that doubt, तो वो
Yeah.
reflect करेगा face पे, you know, then I won't, it won't look believable, me performing that character, if I'm not believing it to be true inside me. I have to believe that what I'm doing is, you know, exactly what I'll be doing, what the character will be doing at that point of time. So even for this film Savi, I remember Abhinay Deoji, जो हमारे director है, उनको I made him like I got all my notes and he couldn't get up from the seat before 3 hours.
Oh God, okay.
So many questions I
Right,
had. Yeah, and then he answered all of them very patiently, and there were so many of them where he convinced me, and there were so many where he also agreed to what I had.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's amazing. What is like the best feedback you've got for this movie?
I think from the audience, like a lot of women, you know, they like the Fiki women in Jaipur, they posted on their Instagram that Savi inspires women, Savi inspires women, empowers women.
Yeah.
So I think that was very beautiful. Then there were some women who made a video, I posted also a lot of them on my Instagram, that film हमें ये सिखाती है कि किसी भी महिला को कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. So I think that's the most beautiful and the most biggest thing, that never accept defeat as a woman, whatever it may be.
Yeah, you know, women especially get called so many different names, right? And if you're a housewife, then they just say that you are just a housewife, and I think you have redefined it a little with this movie. But how do you think the portrayal of women in Indian cinema has changed over the years, especially when it comes to being a wife?
I think a lot. I mean, there are there used to be times where she was just reduced to being a fancy stuff, like just being there for a glamour thing. But now that things have really shifted, like even in my film Savi, I really felt, you know, कि generally Hindi cinema के पर्दे पे hero ही बचाता है heroine को. Why not the other way around?
Yeah.
So in Savi, it's the actress who's you know, it's the female lead that's saving the male lead. So I think that's success in itself, because times have shifted, and films are being made where the women are being shown in a very strong way. Yeah. Like she has to be strong inside. She may not be physically strong, but she has to be courageous. She has to be strong inside. So I think that's very inspiring.
True. You know, when you said that this movie shows that you need to be brave, haar nahi manna chahiye, and all of those things, right? But for you, on a personal note, I wanted to understand that when you do heavy scenes, right, emotionally heavy scenes, how do you cut away from it when you go back to home? When you go back home, does those scenes impact you mentally? And ऐसा कुछ impact होता है, या you know that it's a character and you know that okay, this character is done,
I'm a kind of actor who puts cinema everything into that scene. For me, because I've been a director also, so for me, when I'm shooting that film is bigger than me myself. So I put whatever my troubles are behind, and that is the main thing, the film. So at times it does impact. To be really true. Thankfully, on this set, my producer Mukesh Bhatt and my director Abhinay Deoji, they were so nice, and they kept the whole unit so well and so comfortably that we were taken care of even emotionally. You know, they made sure that the shooting environment. But एक और film के set पे, I did have a breakdown. I did have a little bit breakdown, and I had like little bit anxiety attacks because the character was, while I was shooting,
Heavy,
because the character was so heavy. Yeah.
And how do you pull yourself back from this?
I think the time, that's the biggest healer. One day, one night, and after that, you know.
It's crazy. I also want to talk to you about working with Anil Kapoor sir, right? I mean, it is everyone's dream, and that man, I think, can do anything and everything, right? So on the sets, Mahal kaisa tha, and was that like an advice that he gave you to, you know, just go with the flow, do what you want to do? What is the kind of advice he gave you?
I think it was the most amazing experience to be shooting with him, and I think मैं ये believe भी करती हूँ कि मैंने अभी तक जितना भी काम किया as actor, इतना काम नहीं किया है, थोड़ा ही किया है, but जितना भी किया है, but मेरी जो best chemistry till date आई है वो अनिल सर के साथ आई है.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I felt. You know, when I was performing those scenes, I could see मतलब that exchange. एक scene है हमारा car में where it's raining outside and I'm asking him for the gun and all. So I think everything is very organic, और वो ऐसे था जैसे real में हो रहा है. I was that character, he was his character, and we were just interacting how the two would. And he used to be, of course, very full of advices. जब हम वो scene कर रहे थे, it was very late in the night, and it was very cold over there. So I was, you know, shot के बीच में I was doing so he was like, सोचो सुबह तक है, सुबह तक shoot करना है, सुबह तक shoot करना है. So that's when I realized that it's so mental, like if we think कि अगर सुबह तक करना है तो मे बी हमें ना ठंड लगेगी ना भूख लगेगी, कुछ भी हम फील नहीं करेंगे, बट हमें पता है कि अभी होने वाला है पैकअप अभी 1 घंटे में, तो we'll already start shivering and all of that. So that's very valuable advice.
They say that it's all in the mind. The minute you're strong here, I think everything goes, right? Divya, talk to me about your movie when you see it on a big screen, right? Do you ever get self-critical?
Oh God, I'm very critical. I'm very critical, and I would, because I'm a perfectionist, you know, and I just want to like better and better and better myself. And I think there is, the day you are satisfied with what you're doing, I think that's also very boring, and that's also very, like, then you get mechanical.
Mechanical, yeah, true.
You know, there are some actors I've seen who are just doing it mechanically, like their love has gone. For the craft.
For the craft, the passion.
The passion. I think that is, I feel that is very important. और अगर वो love होगा तो आपको flaws भी दिखेंगे. तो मुझे तो दिखते हैं.
तो जब आपने big screen पे देखा, ऐसा कुछ आपको लगा कि काश मैंने ये अलग किया होता? Any feeling like that?
See, thankfully I was in very safe hands. Like my director, Abhinay Deoji, he's very, very intelligent. So, and filmmaking is a director's vision. You know, as an actor, मतलब आप सिर्फ अपने director के vision, you are as good or bad an actor as your director.
True.
So I know that I was in good hands, and thankfully, you know, he's done a brilliant job with the film, the way he's edited it, the way he's used the background music, everything. So I really loved the way he's made it.
You know, when the word Vishesh film comes, people have so much expectation because of such amazing movie that's come out, like Raz, Ashiki 2 and so many other movies, right? And I also know for the fact that you wanted to do this movie very badly and you went and asked them, right? Why? What is that one point why you wanted to get this movie so badly that you went and asked them this?
See, I feel that as an actor, I haven't really got the opportunity to prove myself, to prove my inner creative creative person. So, you know, I wanted to do a role where it's a well-written role. First of all, this was it was the protagonist role, and it also gave me an opportunity as an artist. So I think that opportunity is something which was missing for me.
Wow. But I'm so glad you did this because you've got such a good movie, and I think as somebody mentioned to me that बहुत लोगों ने theatre में भी देखा है and OTT पे भी देख रहे हैं अभी, right? So it's such a wonderful feeling. Talk to me about a movie when it releases in the box office, right? In the theatres. How important are the box office numbers to you as an actor?
See, of course, there's nothing like box office numbers बहुत important होते हैं because eventually audience आपकी picture देखती है, they come in, they you know, they spend their valuable time to see your movie. So that's the biggest thing, like I said. So numbers बहुत important होते हैं, but at the end of the day, like Mukesh Bhatt sir also says, you know, that now OTT platforms have come and now audiences got divided. So, you know, we can't उनकी importance को भी हम कम नहीं कर सकते because audience has got their own priorities. At the end of the day, the most important thing is for people to be watching your work. अगर वो ना देखे तो वो अलग that's a bad thing because as an artist, you know. So I think that's the most important thing for कोई भी platform हो, but of course theatrical experience ही होता है.
Amazing. I want to ask you, I think everybody wants
like
to know
now
this.
Stree 2 is such a big success. So like for Shraddha Kapoor, I think it's so amazing for her. You know, it's amazing.
That is. You've seen the movie? Did you like it?
No, sorry, I've not seen it.
Okay, you should. If you're okay with horror, then you should someday. You know, I think everybody, the audience wants to know what next for Divya, because you've really surprised us with Savi, a movie that we never thought you would do, but you did, and so well. What next for you?
So I'm getting very good scripts now, and now you know, I've become a little bit. मैं पहले से ही थोड़ी selective रही हूँ, but I've become even more careful because अभी क्योंकि ये hit deliver हुई है, so the movie which comes after this is very important. It's gonna totally cement my position, you know, in the in the business. So I think I'm being a little careful about scripts. I'm getting very good scripts, and there are 3 scripts which have come to me which are very exciting.
Okay.
But they're still in the still they are being
Discussion,
bettered
right.
and bettered and you know, made more crisper.
Right.
So as regards to the Hindi films, as regards to Telugu, I'm doing a film
Oh,
hero
wow.
heroine.
Our South Indian audience is going to be very happy.
Yeah, so I'm excited about hero heroine.
Oh
Yeah.
wow, that is amazing! Congratulations
Thank
on that.
you.
I just have one last question to you. That you know, as we spoke about your character, she's bold, she's brave, and she had to do things away from her comfort zone, right? उसने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसे उनको करना पड़ेगा to save her husband. So, what is that one message you'd like to give all the women out there, especially for those who, you know, they have a voice but they are very shy to speak out loud. तो उनके लिए क्या message दोगे आप?
So I would like to say that the most important thing is to follow your own heart, you know, and not operate your life according to somebody else's sensibilities. It's extremely important कि अगर आपको कुछ life में करने का मन है, अगर आपका कोई passion है, तो आप उसको ज़रूर discover करें, उसको follow करें, and then the choice should entirely be yours, whether you want to become a homemaker or you want to have a career, you know. So I think that's most important, not to have any regrets in life later. Yeah.
That is such an amazing advice. Thank you so much, Divya, for
Thank
doing this.
you.
I had a great time
Thank
conversing
you,
with you,
same here.
and I can't wait for all the magical things you're going to do on screen. So all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, this is Divya Khosla and you're watching me on Pink Villa, and if you like this video then do like, share and subscribe.